Ibrahim Chatta is an accomplished Nigerian actor, producer, and director whose work has made a significant mark in Yoruba Nollywood. Known for his emotional depth, versatility, and strong command of dramatic storytelling, he has built a powerful legacy that spans decades. His presence on screen and his growing influence behind the camera position him as one of the most respected names in Nigerian filmmaking today. Ibrahim Chatta's acting career is defined by intensity, authenticity, and an unmatched ability to embody complex characters. From traditional Yoruba dramas to modern Nollywood productions, his performances remain consistently powerful and grounded. His acting style combines natural dialogue delivery with strong emotional expression, making him a favorite among Yoruba cinema lovers. Ibrahim Chatta has produced several films, often centered around culture, faith, family, and personal transformation. Some of his notable producer credits include Oje Laye, Olokiki Oru, Atupa. His production choices lean toward rich cultural themes, moral lessons, traditional Yoruba storytelling, and dramatic narratives that resonate deeply with local and diaspora audiences. His films often feature strong ensemble casts and traditional settings, giving them a rooted, authentic appeal. As a director, Ibrahim Chatta brings emotional clarity and strong dramatic tension to his films. His directing credits include Oje Laye, Dudumola, Oko Ale, Ayepo, Atupa, Oro, Mafisere. He favors stories that explore human flaws, redemption, spirituality, and the complexity of family relationships. His directorial approach is visually grounded and performance-heavy, allowing actors to deliver expressive and memorable portrayals. Ibrahim Chatta maintains an active digital footprint. Many of his films trend on Yoruba-focused YouTube channels, allowing his work to reach millions of viewers globally, especially among the Nigerian diaspora. His digital engagement keeps his brand relevant and ensures continuous visibility of his film projects. Ibrahim Chatta has become a cultural pillar in Yoruba cinema. His influence extends across acting, producing, directing, storytelling, and digital distribution. He represents the strength of traditional Nollywood while consistently adapting to modern, digital-first film consumption. Through his dedication to craft and cultural authenticity, he remains one of the most respected creative figures in the industry.
Yeah. Do you know what you're made for? You're a light that's gonna shine, and yes, the world is gonna see about